Hello students. Students, today we are going to solve the question based on height and distance by using trigonometric ratios. The question number 1, a tree breaks due to the storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 12 meter. Find the height of the tree. Okay, students. So, students, we have to draw the diagram first. A tree is given which breaks due to the storm. This is tree. AB is the height of the tree. Let its breaks at the point C and BC bends and it meets to the ground at D. It means BC equal to CD. Let BC equal to x meter, then CD is also x meter. Let AC equals to h meter. It means the height of the tree AB will be h plus x meter. And this distance where the top of the tree touches the ground and the foot of the tree distance is given to us, it is 12 meter. So all this information we have to write and all the things we have to mention in the diagram. Students, remember your diagram should be neat and clean and all the things should be mentioned in the diagram. And we have to write about the diagram here. Let AB be a tree. It breaks at point C. BC equal to CD equals to x meter. BC equal to CD equals to x meter. Angle CDA equals to 30 degree. CDA 30 degree given. Let AC equals to h meter. So total height of the tree AB equals to h plus x meter. AD equals to 12 meter, it is given to us. Now in triangle DAC, we have to take every time right angle triangle because the trigonometric ratios we can use in right angle triangle. So DAC, angle A 90 degree. So we are going to use tan theta. Why? Because we have to calculate perpendicular and base is given to us. So by the help of base, we are going to calculate perpendicular. That's why we have used here tan theta equals to P upon B. So tan 30, perpendicular is H, base is 12. Tan 30 equals to H upon 12. Tan 30 value 1 upon root 3 equals to H upon 12. So cross multiplication, it means H equals to 12 upon root 3. We have calculated H. Now we have to calculate X. So we are going to take cos theta because B upon H, base upon hypotenuse. So in triangle DAC, cos theta equals to B upon H. Theta value 30 degree, base is 12 and hypotenuse is X. 12 upon X. Cos 30 value root 3 upon 2 equals to 12 upon X. Cross multiplication 24 equals to root 3x. X equal to 24 upon root 3 meter. Now we have calculated both H and X. We know that the height of the tree is H plus X meter. So we are going to put the value of H and X. H value 12 upon root 3 and X value 24 upon root 3. So 24 and 12, 36 upon root 3. We have to rationalize the denominator. So to rationalize the denominator, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. So it will be 36 root 3 upon 3. It means the answer is 12 root 3. So the height of the tree is 12 root 3 meter. Students, remember, if the value of root 3 is given to us, or the question asking the answer in the decimal, then we have to use the value of root 3. Otherwise, we can leave the answer as it is. Okay. Now, student, question number 2. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 36 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So let us draw the diagram of 1.5 meter tall boy. So I have drawn the line, vertical line, to show the height of the boy. So DC is the height of the boy. It is 1.5 meter. Okay. Now building height is given to us 36 meter. So this is building BA is the building. Its height 36 meter. I have written here building height 36 meter. Now student, we have drawn the perpendicular DF to AB. So it means DC equal to FB equal to 1.5 meter. Then AF equals to 36 minus 1.5, 34.5 meter. Angle D is given 30 degree. The angle of the top of the building from the eye of the boy is 30 degree given, and the boy moves towards the building. Then the angle formed by the eye of the boy of the top of the building is 60 degree. So angle E is 60 degree. So all the information we have to write first after drawing the diagram, and all the things should be mentioned in the diagram properly. Okay. So let AB be the building. AB equal to 36 meter given. Let DC be the height of the boy. DC equals to 1.5 meter given. DF perpendicular to AB. Correct? DC equals to BF equals to 1.5 meter. DC equal to BF equals to 1.5 meter. So AF equals to 36 minus 1.5, 34.5 meter. Angle ADF equal to 30 degree given, and angle AEF equals to 60 degree given. DE equals to X meter and EF equals to Y meter. So DF equal to X plus meter. DE equals to X meter, EF equals to Y meter, and DF equals to X plus Y meter. Okay students. Now two triangles are there. So we have to calculate the value of X, distance covered by boy towards the building. So first of all, we are going to take triangle AFE. Always remember students, we have to take right angle triangle. So first triangle AFE, we have to calculate Y, and AF is given to us 34.5 meter. So we are going to use tan theta perpendicular upon base. So tan theta equals to P upon V, tan 60 degree, perpendicular 34.5, base Y. So tan 60 equal to 34.5 upon Y. Tan 60 equal to root 3. equal to 34.5 upon y. Cross multiplication, root 3 y equals to 34.5. So y equals to 34.5 upon root 3 meter. Now students, next triangle we will take AFD. Remember students, we have to take right angle triangle. Generally it is seen that students, they are taking triangle AED. It is wrong. AED, not a right angle triangle. To use trigonometric ratios, every time we have to take right angle triangle. So in triangle AFD, okay, so tan theta equals to P upon B, tan 30 degree equals to 34.5 upon x plus y. Okay student, so tan 30 value 1 upon root 3 equals to 34.5 upon x plus y. So x plus y equals to 34.5 root 3. Putting value of y from equation 1, this value we will put here at the place of y. Now this value transpose this side. So x equal to 34.5 root 3 minus 34.5 upon root 3. Let us take LCM. LCM is root 3. So it will be 34.5 root 3 minus 34.5. So 34.5 into 3 is 103.5 minus 34.5 upon root 3. So when we subtract, we get 69 upon root 3. Again root 3 is there in denominator, we have to rationalize first. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. So it will become 69 root 3 upon 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. X equals to 23 root 3 meter. So distance covered by boy towards the building is 23 root 3 meter. So this distance, students, DE equals to 23 root 3 meter covered by boy towards the building. Okay students, here also the question is not asking the answer in decimal. That's why it is not required to put the value of root 3. We can leave our answer as it is in the form of root 3. Okay students? Okay then.